Hello, welcome to my studio tour. Here you can see my garden studio. You can watch a video on how I built that here. And then welcome, come inside. So it's absolutely crammed full. You can see there's also a tutorial on how to make those. Here's my little fabric stash. It's been severely reduced. A lot of that went to school. Some things from workshops. I'm a big fan of Mr. Finch. Loads of little treasures that I've gathered. Some of the things that I've made. Some of the things when I was on Kirsty's Handmade Christmas. Lots of little things that I find that I love or that have come from travels. Postcards, pictures, things that catch my eye. I upcycled that chaise longue. There's the knitted poppy. I've done a post about that as well. Lots of books, loads of inspiration, loads of my tools and everything to hand. It can look a little bit like a crazy mess, but I'm happy. You can see in those little things all the things that I use for jewellery making. Some of my fabric necklaces, some gifts from my kids. Just loads of special, lovely things, really, that make me really inspired. Some work in progress. Watch this space for those. Coffee, absolute requirement there. Some visualization boards, ideas, things that I find interesting. Lots of fairy lights to make it twinkle. And finally, the view that I get when I am sat on my sewing machine, looking out into my lovely garden. Thanks, bye!